Hello, my name is Ismael Campos. I want to talk about how did I conquer my wife, how I met her. This is me. I was working on board a cruise ship line. And this is me, as you can see. This is my partner, my teamwork. And this is me again. Here I was hanging out with my friend. She's Angela. Now she's my wife. We was in Rio de Janeiro. And this is us when we start to be more than friends. And here we are in Istanbul, drinking some wine, and it's funny to know that when we start to this relationship, she and me was afraid to be more than friends, because she saw how many people of her family was damaged for her husband, or his, in this case, she had a boyfriend. He made her, and me, I was looking for a girl with something different, like another girl that I had at that moment. This is me with my wife. I want to remember that I come from Costa Rica, and I came here to Colombia because for me it's more easy travel than her. For the visa, I don't need visa, so I came here to took my wife to my country, but it was difficult, so I stood here with her, and I start a family. This is my wife with my son. It's around 3 hours of his born. And this is my son now. He is the best of my life. And now I want to make a little summary how I met her. I start to work on a board ship line, and that moment I didn't knew women, because the people on board was people easy to conquer, people who want to make or have sex only. It's difficult to say, but that happened. People who want to drink all night, just work and have fun, and enjoy the life a different way as I like to do. So for this reason, I started to work for complete my goals. My goal was buy a house and finish my studies and make a good family. For this reason, I took my time to get a girl, and I remember when I saw my wife. Now my wife, I saw a girl that told me, I'm your partner. I want to talk with you. I want to um, share our, our job, but only that, only friends, only partners, and nothing else. But I fall in love with her, and I tried many times to explain her how much I love her, but she doesn't care about me, about my feeling, because she didn't want to have any boyfriend. But I took my time. I made a difference. I tried to change her point of view about the men's, and now I'm here. Now I have my son. Now I have my family, and now I have our teens. For this reason, I think that this is my best past event, because if I didn't do what I did, now I cannot be counting the star. Thank you. Have a good night.